Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick Gmail guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change the text density and spacing in Gmail, the full 2026 setup. It's super simple and really helpful if your inbox feels a little cramped or too spaced out. All right, let's jump in. First things first, go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account. Just use your usual email and password. Nothing fancy here. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click the little gear icon. That opens the Quick Settings panel. Yeah, the one that slides out on the right. Inside Quick Settings, the very first section you'll see is Density. You can choose between Default, Comfortable, or Compact. Default gives you Attachments Preview, Comfortable adds a bit more space, and Compact, well, shrinks everything for maximum email per page. For even finer control, scroll a little and click See All Settings. Then open the Inbox or General tab depending on what Gmail shows you this year. Here you might find spacing or layout tweaks like conversation view adjustments or display width. Feel free to experiment until it looks right for you. Gmail updates your density instantly so you can scroll your inbox and see how everything looks. If it feels too tight or too spaced out, just head back to the gear icon and switch again. Super quick. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to change the text density and spacing in Gmail with the 2026 layout. Small tweaks like these can make your inbox way easier on the eyes. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more simple tech guides.